This is a 2004 Godfrey Aqua Patio pontoon boat. Does have docking lights. It's 20 foot long. Has a bimini, canvas little ripped up at the sides. Does have a full cover. 50 horse Yamaha on the back. Appears to have the 25-inch tunes on it. We'll go inside here. Here's the cover. Table. Does have two portable cup holders. There's your captain's chair there. Don't see any rips in the seats or anything. Oh, one little snag I just spotted, nothing big. Nice dash. Has a depth finder on it. Jensen stereo. Tilt steering. Rated for 13 passengers. Does have a side gate, front gate, rear gate, so you have 3 ways to get on the boat. Does have carpeting. You could put a porta potty in there if you want. It's a nice little boat. There is no trailer with it. Give us a call at SkipperBud's in Antioch, Illinois to see this boat.